Do not feed the monkey.
So there's monkey
Do not feed the
sometimes.
Sometimes
monkey.
they're coming. Keep the door closed. Do not feed them.
Okay.
Do not put anything outside.
Okay. So food is not allowed because monkey might eat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Minka!
Menka.
Minka, say. Minka, I want to see what
Our
Minka said.
view.
The room is about 120 liters, 300 4 feet.
I see
Be
this
careful
over
when you walk right here. There are some
Careful,
gaps.
careful.
Okay. Galilei, you have to be careful if you sleep there, lagot. Okay. Outdoor shower. Okay.
And then there is connecting door to the master shower room. Over here.
Ah, okay, so that we don't need to go inside
Yeah.
when we're wet. Okay. Okay.
This is what? The connecting door to the shower room.
Can we not enter? Don't enter your your shoes ha. Kasi we have sleepers naman eh.
But how about the monkeys? They might steal it from us.
No, we'll have to put it inside.
The monkeys is so bad. I really want to see the monkey.
Is it?
It is turning 3 this May.
We want this sofa instead of bed.
Daughters.
I want to sleep here. I'm gonna sleep here.
No, you sleep there.
No, I sleep here.
No, you sleep there.
Ah.
This is my bed. I said earlier.
Mini bar.
It's all complimentary. We will replenish one time per one day.
Okay.
We have coffee tea maker.
Okay.
We have the coffee tea selection, some sugar, and all the glasses we put on this side.
Okay.
For your entertainment, there are 7 to 2 channels that we have, local and international channels.
Sir, please wait. I'll give you a tip, okay?
Yeah.
Are you done already?
Yes, I will take
Mabalik pa siya.
Okay, come back then. Okay, thank you.
Mabalik na naman.
Okay.
More information about the Samabe we put on this book, including the room service menu for breakfast.
Don't, dati will picture pa dati.
Special dietary for the food.
No, none.
We don't have any special diet. Number 7 will be
Mommy,
24 hours for you.
after
Just
Daddy
give us a call.
pictures,
Anything you need.
can we swim, please,
We put
please,
separately
please,
aircon
please,
control for
please,
living room,
Later.
together with the electricity
Let's talk
panel.
muna.
please, after Daddy pictures.
Beach bed, bed hat, you can put it home, all those things.
Oh really? This one and this one also?
They're free.
Oh wow.
International
Welcome.
and the room set of the bed as well. And the TV as well right here.
Okay. So you will be our butler for the day
In the morning.
in the morning. So what up to what time is your shift?
From 7 until 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Okay. So we'll take care of you. You take care
Yes.
of us. Okay.
Yeah.
So until the whole stay, which will be on Sunday, you will be here during
Yeah.
morning.
So I'll take my day off on Sunday.
Ah, okay. So we won't see you.
Yeah. The luggage, 4 luggages. Would you like me to assist you for unpacking?
No, we'll take care of that.
We can do that.
We'll unpack that. Thank you.
This safety deposit box, hair dryer, laundry service,
It's
and mosquito repellent
wonderful.
to the mosquitoes. The bathroom with the hot and cold running water. All the towel we put below the water sink.
Okay.
The toilet and shower.
Okay. Toilet and shower room are separate.
That's one
Okay.
connecting outside.
Yes.
There's some connecting outside. Okay. This is beautiful.
Thank you
Nice.
so much.
Good decision to choose your hotel. Sir,
Yes.
is there any way we can put this there or it's okay, Daddy?
I think if you like me to place right here, the space so tight.
Tight already.
Yeah.
How about here?
Right there, facing to that side.
Yes.
Alright then, no problem. Oh, that's
So
so
that's
housekeeping. And set up also the sofa as normal.
Sofa sofa only.
Yes.
Okay.
We'll be the one to take care of that when
We're ready to sleep.
when we're ready to sleep.
And the last one,
Don't let me do
the room sign. If you wish your room needs to be clean, just put the green outside.
Okay.
Yeah, at the main gate, and the red sign is your privacy.
Okay.
You take a picture.
Maybe
Alright.
something else.
I will sleep there.
That should be
Should be
for
all
now.
for now.
But the shade of the sun,
Yeah.
What side is this? Afternoon or sunset?
The side will be this afternoon.
Sun is in the afternoon for this side. So this is sunset.
We don't have any. We only facing the sunrise here.
As this is
Sunrise
sunrise.
will be this side.
Okay, alright. So that's it for now. So I'll see you later.
Absolutely.
Okay, every after shift, please visit me.
Alright then.
Okay, thank you,
Have a good stay with us.
Tian. Okay,
Can I
thank-
send my housekeeping right now?
Yes, please, so that we can keep clean
And
this.
move extra bed.
Yes, thank you, Tian.
Bye-bye.
We'll see you later. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll guide you.